The Vader Pro earbuds, these wrap around your ear. They are wired, but they stick in your ear very well. I'm gonna pull them out. So they block out all sound around you and they sound really good. So this is how they go into your ear, right? You just wrap it around and you put it in so it doesn't fall out. Since they are a little bit bigger, you know, they kind of need to wrap around your ear. Now, they do have 3 drivers in them for bass, mid, and treble. Okay, so there's actually 3 drivers in here, basically 3 speakers that are pushing sound out. What's very interesting about these is they have these little DIN switches, I would call them, for a lack of a better word, on the top. And these DIN switches will control the frequency and change the sound. I turned them all off, I turned them all down, and then all up. And I did notice a difference. When I had them all on this up position, or I'm sorry, this down position, depending on how you're holding it. When I had them in this position, it sounded like there was more music going on around me. When I turned them all off, it sort of deadened it, made it a little, you know, more deadened, I guess. They do come off, which really threw me for a loop in the beginning. They kind of disconnect. And the nice thing about that is that you can actually buy a Bluetooth receiver and just kind of connect them in and they'll hook onto your ear. So you don't have to buy all new, you know, earbuds. These do come with, you know, the plug, a normal speaker plug. And they do come with a bunch of additional ear pieces, but the ones that it came with, kind of stock ones, fit into my ear perfectly. They don't hurt or anything like that. So these are really nice. They wrap around your ear. They stay in real nice. And they feel very, you know, I would say high end. I was very impressed when I opened up the box. This is the box they come in, pretty small. But yeah, really, really neat little headphones here, earbuds. And there you go. Very completely adjustable, super neat. That's what they look like. Look at that. That's pretty cool.